With Prime Minister Narendra Modi making a remark on Odisha Chief Minister's ill health. Naveen Patnaik was seen trembling. His hands particularly was trembling while he was giving a speech at a stage. In fact, we see that video on our screens as well. Prime Minister Modi hinting that there could be conspiracy behind Naveen Patnaik's ill health. Here's what he had said. Let's have a listen.
इसमें उस लॉबी का तो हाथ नहीं है ना जो नवीन बाबू के नाम पर पर्दे के पीछे उड़ीसा में सत्ता भोग रहे हैं। इस रहस्य से पर्दा उठना जरूरी है। उठना चाहिए ना, पर्दा उठना चाहिए ना, पर्दा उठना चाहिए ना। इसका पर्दा उठना चाहिए, इसकी जांच आवश्यक है। इसलिए 10 जून के बाद उड़ीसा में भाजपा सरकार का विजय होने के बाद हमारी सरकार, उड़ीसा की भाजपा सरकार एक स्पेशल कमेटी का गठन करेगी और ये जांच करेगी कि अचानक नवीन बाबू की तबीयत क्यों गिरती जा रही है, उनकी तबीयत के साथ क्या हो रहा है, सारे तथ्य खोज करके निकाले जाएंगे।
A big statement that Prime Minister Modi has made. Aishwarya Paliwal joining us for more on that. Aishwarya, a special committee that will be formed promises the Prime Minister to probe Naveen Patnaik's ill health. That video shows Pandian moving Patnaik's hand and keeping it in a zone where none can see it. He is seen visibly trembling, his hands shaking, the BJP smelling conspiracy. Give us more on the basis that the party speaks with.
Well, Namita, let me tell you exactly what the Prime Minister has done. He's also, in one shot, said that it is the BJP which will be forming the government in the state of Odisha. And on the other side, very categorically, he's also said that they will look into the ill health of Naveen Patnaik. So appealing to the people there, people of the state, and showing that it is the BJP which actually cares about the health of the Chief Minister of the state, but also, in the same stroke, also saying that it is the BJP which will be forming the state government this time, and once they come to power, clearly giving out a message that once they come to power, they'll make sure that there is an inquiry which takes place into the ill health of the Chief Minister of the state of Odisha. Naveen.
Thanks very much, Aishwarya, for joining us on that. Of course, at the last phase of elections in the coastal state of Odisha, as it comes close, Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik's video has really triggered a political row. In this video, you see there, Patnaik's aide, V.K. Pandian, tries to hide the Chief Minister's trembling hands. BJP sharing this video on X says Pandian is controlling the Chief Minister. Here's more.
This video of Odisha CM Naveen Patnaik at an election rally has sparked a huge political controversy. Pointing to how BJD leader V.K. Pandian grabs Patnaik's trembling hand, the BJP has mounted stinging attacks on the CM's most trusted aide. The Saffron Party is projecting Pandian's act as being symbolic of a power grab.
सीएम क्या है? सीएम का तो अभी कुछ पावर नहीं है। सीएम का डिजिटल सिग्नेचर पंडियान रख लिया है। जो फाइल आते हैं सीएम का पास जाते ही नहीं, पंडियान ही कर देते हैं। अभी सीएम तो नाम के लिए है, पंडियान दिखाने के लिए ले आता है सीएम को। इसीलिए मेरा मानना है नवीन बाबू को चुनाव लड़ना ही नहीं चाहिए था, पंडियान को लड़वाना चाहिए था।
Odisha CM Naveen Patnaik called BJP's criticism as mere distraction. Reacting to BJP's barbs, the BJD Supremo distinctively puts up the same hand on the podium and claims that he is perfectly fine.
I believe the BJP, which is known to make non-issues into issues, are discussing my hands. This will certainly not work.
Earlier, while speaking exclusively with India Today's Rahul Kanwal, Pandian had refuted allegations that he was controlling the Odisha CM.
BJP keeps saying he's very unwell. that he's getting multiple treatments done?
I think it's not the BJP as such. It's some of the leaders who have vested interest to become chief ministers at the earliest possible time. They don't have anything to tell against the popular chief minister of the country.
Has there been any indication to you from the chief minister that he has officially chosen you as his
Not at all.
successor?
Not at all. Not at all. Not at all.
The assembly elections in Odisha are parallelly being held with the Lok Sabha elections. The BJP is playing Odisha Asmita card in an attempt to dethrone the Naveen Patnaik-led BJD government, which has been in power since the year 2000. Bureau Report, India Today.